What's a fact about dogs that not a lot of people know?
One interesting fact about dogs that not a lot of people know is that they have a unique sense that allows them to detect the Earth's magnetic field. Studies have shown that dogs can sense and respond to the magnetic field, which is thought to help them navigate and orient themselves in their environments. While the exact mechanism by which dogs sense the Earth's magnetic field is still unclear, it's believed that they may have a special protein in their eyes that allows them to detect the magnetic field, or they may have magnetite particles in their brains that act like a compass. Either way, it's an impressive and unique ability that adds to the many fascinating traits of man's best friend.